Peanuts and Cracker Jacks. Da 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 bo da da.
Oh, baby, let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Ooh, ooh. What?
You're gonna wish you stayed like this. Strike two, joining this fight. Strike three, picking my lane. Every game is waking up. Strike two, joining this fight. Wish you stayed on the bench, picking my lane. Every game is game 7.
You see this guy giving me shit?
Yeah. What a retard.
Some YouTuber's intro.
Joining this fight 7. Wish you stay on my lane. Every game is strike one, waking up. Every game is every game is game 7. This one was waking up. You're gonna wish picking my lane. Strike 3, picking my lane. Strike 1 was waking up. Every game. Strike 2
The tray is AFK.
Strike 1 was waking up. Strike 2.
What is this Freya's problem?
Strike 3, picking my lane.
Autism, dude.
Who?
Every game was
Watch her say you rock.
strike 2.
Oh my god, what is happening?
3, picking my lane. You're gonna wish you stayed on the bench.
I don't care if you do shit to me. Loki, no!
You're gonna wish you stayed on the bench. All right. Be right back. Okay. Every game wish you stayed on the bench. Every game is game strike 7. Joining this fight. Every game is like
They think I give a fuck? Woo!
This is gonna be hard.
Shit! Legends!
Strike 1 was waking up. Strike 2 was joining this fight. Game. Strike 3.
Oh yeah, that healing. It's barely anything.
You're gonna wish you stayed on the bench.
Get this bitch!
Every game is game 7, friend. Strike 1 was waking up. Game 7, friend. Joining this fight.
Oh damn.
You're gonna wish you stayed on the bench. Every game is strike 1 waking up. Picking my lane is fight. You're gonna wish you stayed on my lane. Every game is strike 1 waking up. Strike 2 joining this fight. Every game is you're gonna wish you stayed on my lane. Strike 1 was waking up. Every game strike 2 7 this fight. Strike 3 picking bench. Strike one was waking up. Strike two, seven is staying on the bench. Strike one was waking up. Picking my lane.
None can stand before
I
you.
wish you stayed on the bench. Strike one was waking up. Strike two, joining this fight. Strike three, picking my lane. Every game is 7, friend. Strike three, joining this fight. Picking my lane. Strike three, picking my lane. The right protection makes all the difference. Every game is strike one. You stayed on the bench, joining this fight. Strike three, picking my lane.
Boots! What are you, stupid? Get this motherfucker!
Every game is game 7, waking up. Every game is joining this fight. Strike 3, Red 1 was waking up. Strike 2, joining this fight. Picking my lane.
Nice.
Impressive killing spree.
Walk it off. Every game is game 7. Stay on the bench. 1 was waking up. Strike 2, every game is game 7. Stayed on the picking my lane. Strike 1 was waking up. Strike 2, every joining this fight. 7, strike 3, picking my lane.
I didn't get him
Get him off, bro! Oh! Oh! Dude!
Did you get him?
Yeah, I threw a fucking rock at him!
Oh my god, the minions moved right out of that.
Strike 2, enemies joining this fight. Strike 3, picking my lane. Strike 1, 7, making every stay on the bench. You're gonna wish you stayed on the bench.
Nice!
Strike 1 was waking up every game. You're gonna wish you stayed on the bench. Picking my lane. Enemies have returned left. Every game is right one. Every game is game 7. Man has left the game.
Oh,
Yes! Our first rage quit! Our first rage quit!
2 people left. Anubis, Joel, and Barry are the same friend.
7, friend.
No, my ult's up.
I need a back to base.
Yeah, I'm gonna go buy another item.
Picking my lane.
I need to get a raw voice back.
That'll work. Every game is game 7, friend.
Oh, damn.
You're gonna wish you stayed on the bench. Waking up. Strike 3.
Oh, that is. Oh, shit. If Anubis wasn't in the air, I would have gotten him.
Strike 1 was waking up. Strike 2 Strike 3 kicking my lane. You stayed on the bench. Strike 1 was waking up. 7 friends joining this fight. Strike 3 kicking
This Loki's terrible.
you stayed on the bench.
And new assault didn't barely do anything with you.
Stay on the bench, strike three. Picking my lane. Every game is game 7, man. Strike 1, waking up. Every game is waking up. 3-7, friend. You're gonna win. Strike 1 is waking up.
Worth a shot.
You stay on the bench. Picking my lane. Strike 3. Picking my lane. Every game is game 7, friend. Strike 1 is waking up. Every game. Strike 1 is waking up. Picking my lane. Strike 3. Picking my lane.
Dude, Tank Raw's working.
Game 7, friend. I wish you stayed on the bench.
Yes!
Oh, damn. Should've waited. The only problem with this Tank Raw build is I don't have like that much damage. His one can at least clear away.
Picking my lane. Strike 1 was waking up. Wish you stayed on the bench in this fight. Strike 3, strike 1, picking my lane.
Who soul it in? Or is him on me again? Nice.
Strike 1 was waking up. Strike 2, every game. Fight get away. Stay on the bench. Picking my lane. Every game. Strike 1 was waking up.
Oh, he healed.
Joining this fight. Picking my lane. Every game on the bench. 7, strike 1 is waking up. Strike 2 is joining this fight. Every game. 7,
This is ridiculous,
I
dude.
just told you, like, jacking the fuck up.
picking my lane. You're gonna wish you
Help! It's over! No, it's not. It might be over.
He
Nope.
ditched you.
Enemy has been slain.
Strike 1 was waking up. Strike 2 was joining this fight. Strike 3, alright, picking my lane. Every game is game 7.
Got more help?
You're gonna wish you stayed on the bench. Every game is game 7. Waking up. Every game strike 2, 7 in this fight. You're gonna wish you stayed on the bench. Strike 1 was waking up. Strike 2 game in this fight. 7, friend. 3, picking my
Slain.
Wow, instantly annihilated.
Every game is game 7.
My turn. Oh well.
Look at this, I'm gonna walk into their... I wanna walk into their, area.
Yo, I can heal you if you do. Yeah, go in there. Go in there. Get him.
They can't even come out! Run!
Enemy has been slain.
Every game is game 7, man. You stay on the bench.
You knocked him out of my ult. Nice. Oh my god. Dude, Tank Raw. I like Tank Raw. I need to change the build a bit, but I like him.
Watch them start bitching in the chat.